Although apple cider vinegar has an overwhelming acid taste, you do not have to drink right to benefit from its amazing properties. Some of these properties include crude enzymes and the promotion of good bacteria in the digestive tract. In order to avoid taste, some people substitute cider vinegar for regular vinegar when stripping their favorite vegetables, or pair it with olive oil to make a salad dressing room with a little kick. However, by simply diluting apple cider vinegar or adding it to tea before bedtime, you can significantly improve several areas of your health. Consider a few ways that if you help take ACV before bedtime. 1. Bad breath. You know that the terrible taste in your mouth you wake up with the morning? It is probably due to too much bacteria in your mouth. Drink 1 tablespoon with 8 ounces of water and a slice of lemon before bedtime will keep that bacteria at bay and let you wake up cooler. 2. Lower blood sugar. Some people have difficulty sleeping because of a peak in their blood sugar level at night. It is one of the main causes of insomnia, and it also prevents the body from burning fat. Apple cider vinegar lowers blood sugar levels because it increases insulin sensitivity. If you're not already on blood sugar medicine, try taking 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar just before going to bed each night, and see if you do not have a more relaxing night. If you are taking prescription medications for diabetes, please speak with your doctor before using this natural remedy. 3. Hiccups. This trick replaces the nerves in the throat who are responsible for hiccups. If these nerves have to deal with the taste of apple cider vinegar, hiccup become less of a problem. For this you will need to drink an undiluted teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. 4. Sinus relief. If you have a stuffy nose because this is the pollen season again, do not forget about apple cider vinegar. Rather than reaching an over-the-counter decongestant, rely on B vitamins to work with potassium and magnesium in apple cider vinegar to relax your sinuses so you can breathe. 5. Losing weight. Unwanted More and more people from Apple are integrating apple cider vinegar in their diet of weight loss. However, did you know that not getting a good night's sleep is also associated with being overweight? Researchers now know that apple cider vinegar inhibits the body when it tries to convert starches into calories. Not only that, but it also reduces appetite. The pectin it contains actually makes you feel more satisfied, so when it's time to go to bed and you're hungry, drink a little apple cider vinegar to feel satisfied and sleep better. 6. Reflux Remedy. When your stomach is empty of the necessary amount of acid, it tends to move to do the job that the amount would be easily make. When this happens, some of the acid can sneak up the esophagus and burn your throat. Apple cider vinegar helps replace this acid and balances your intestinal tract stomach. Try a tablespoon with a glass of water about an hour before going to bed. 7. Irritated throat. Apple cider vinegar is a powerful antibacterial. Its acidity helps kill the bacteria that live in the back of the throat. If you have a sore throat, in 30 minutes intervals, take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. About an hour before bedtime, drink a teaspoon. After 30 minutes, drink another one. Finally, the third drink just before bedtime. 8. Legs without rest. If you have legs without rest or are often prey with leg cramps in the middle of the night, it's probably a sign that you're not getting enough potassium in your diet. By adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to 8 ounces of water, you can quickly increase your potassium levels and avoid those awkward questions. 9. Sometimes a simple remedy like apple cider vinegar can regulate upset stomach. Again, by helping restore the pH level of the digestive tract, you can get rid of excess gas and even stomach cramps. Try a cup of hot water with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to soothe upset stomach. Have you tried any of these remedies? Let us know in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe.